So today we're gonna do a throttle body switch. I bought a new throttle body because my car stalls randomly, and I've made another video on that. And lightning bolt light comes on, and lightning bolt means a throttle body. So I bought a new one. So let's switch it out. All right, so here's the new throttle body. I got it at AutoZone because you get a lifetime warranty. It came out to $250. Somebody recommended to get an aftermarket, so I'm gonna try it. Lifetime warranty, I mean, if it goes bad, you get another one, right? So I'm gonna start with I'm gonna remove one of these cables from the battery. All right, so I found the 10 millimeter. I always get nervous working with batteries or electrical stuff. Oh. Keep this here. Okay, now let's move on to the front of the car. Alright, it's a bit windy here today, so bear with me. So let's start off with removing this exhaust hose. Seal on this. Is it supposed to be like that? Now, how do you remove this? It wasn't even that hard. I broke off. I'm gonna have to replace this now because I broke off like a little, I don't know if you guys can see that, a little piece that went here to lock this in. Just broke it off. Alright, I'm gonna remove this whole thing just to let me get in here a little bit better. There we go. Push this back up here. Alright, so from what I understand is there's four bolts, 2 here and then 2 on this side. Use this tool right here. It says the size 5. I don't know what that means, 5 millimeters. Not a mechanic, as you guys know. So I'm gonna do it in a X fashion. Should have waited for my car to cool off a little bit. Oh, this bolt was loose. That's interesting. This bolt over here was loose. I got this is a new engine that I got put in here not so long ago. I don't know if they just didn't tighten it properly or came out loose itself. Strange stuff. So I got 1, 2, we got 3. Don't fall now. Got 4. So, oh wow. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. Well, so you guys are over here, sorry. Oh man, I'm trying to keep those bolts on there right now. Look at that gunk. Alright, so it went like that, yes? Boom. All right, now reverse. Switching over the bolts. You guys can't see. Taking them out of there, putting them in here. All right, back up here. All right. Start with this one. Tighten them relatively tight. I don't want this to get loose again. All right. Too tight because it's gonna break. Just hand tight. Boom. All right. Let's put this exhaust back. Okay, it's tight. Now slide this back in and tighten this one. Okay, plug it back in. Oh, it's still secure. I don't know what this red thing, I think it's a lock. Okay. There it is. That was actually really easy. Now, let's go plug in the battery. All right, I'm gonna put the battery back in. Okay, that feels good. Let's close this out. All right, let me go inside and turn on the car, see if I didn't fuck anything up, eh? Seems like everything's running properly. That's it, I think. Let me get you guys off of this. That was actually a piece of cake. I'm assuming what was going wrong with this is this part, the electrical bit, and for some reason this one feels extremely light compared to the new one I just bought, and smaller. I don't know, I don't think it's smaller, but it feels really light. I've been having problems with my car turning off randomly at stoplights or losing power randomly, and I'm really hoping that this fixes it, because even though the codes were coming out that it was something to do with the PCM, I'm thinking if there was some sort of electrical problem here, it's sending messages to the PCM saying that there's something failing, and that's what's making it stall. I'm gonna drive it home. I live an hour away, There's no lights on. I'm gonna drive around and hopefully there's not gonna be any problems with the new throttle body. But that's how you switch out your throttle body, I guess. Piece of cake. I forgot to mention that yesterday I also did, in my last video, I was trying to change, well, I changed the power steering because my car was shaking a lot and making really loud noise. And I got an alignment and my wheels balanced, and the loud noise went away, but the shakiness didn't. So I went to go check my rims, and I think one of them is, I might have hit a ditch or something and it kind of bent my rim. I think it was this one or the one on the other side, one of the ones in the front. And now I'm gonna have to go get that fixed, and I'm gonna order the tie rods because when they took the wheels off, I noticed that the tie rods were pretty worn. So that's gonna come soon, and hopefully that takes away the shakiness because it still shakes at 60 to 70. Like the faster I go, the more it shakes. But the alignment did really help. So if anybody's having minor shaking issues or weird noises when you drive at high speeds, try to get an alignment. Hopefully that fixes your problem. It fixed part of mine, but it still shakes. So a couple more things I have to do here. Fix one of those rims and get the tie rods. All right.